Today we'll talk about how can you change your currency on your Wix app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in first, you just go down, click on manage down here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. So then you just go down here, you keep going down. You click here on settings, you just click on it, then you keep going down here, you will find here business info, just click on it. So then you come to next step here, come here to currency, you come to currency here, and here can you click on it, then here can you change your currency in this list here. That's all. I wish you a good, thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.